Hey everyone, it is time for our latest and greatest Tara's must-have, and this is a duo. We have two must-haves, and they're perfect together. First and foremost, let's start with our set of two soup mugs, soup and sandwich mugs, and so much in between. So you have two great openings here where you can put things. I'll give you a million different ideas. Beautiful helper handle here on the side, hand painted inside and outside, and it's our great stoneware. So these go in the oven up to 500 degrees. You can put them in the microwave if you want to reheat things. Of course, you can put them in the fridge and the freezer. Fridge if you want to keep things colder, longer. And then, of course, they go right in the dishwasher when you want to clean them. We have them in Old World, Floral Lace. We even have a seasonal. We have our romance. You can check those out on Temp-tations.com. And then we have the Cozies that go along with it. If you've never seen these before, buckle up. These are cool. They're beautiful. They're fabric and they're lined, which means I can literally put this directly in the microwave. Say this is my soup and my grilled cheese, and I can take it out. It protects my countertop and it protects my hands as well. So no need for those mitts anymore if you're putting it already in there with it. So you're going to receive 4 of these. So choice of 2 soup mugs, choice of 4, not really a choice of soup mugs, or the Cozies. And you get 2 of the small and 2 of the large. The small, by the way, are perfect for like heating up your coffee or your tea. Look at that. I can literally put it in the microwave just like this and come right out with it. Look at, and my hands are protected, my table's protected. I can literally just grab the handle and away we go. So love that. All right, where am I going? I am going to head over to the microwave and show you that I already heated something up with the Cozy underneath it. So remember, they protect your countertop, they protect your hands, and you can absolutely put them in the microwave. Don't put them in the oven, but they are good for the microwave. So now I have my beautiful piping hot tomato soup, and do you see what I just did? Right? Brought that right out, didn't need pot holders, and I'm gonna put it over here, put it right over here with the other one, and look at how cute that is. We have coordinating color, so you can coordinate it back, but look at this. In my little Cozy, I have my beautiful tomato soup with my French, I was gonna say French toast sticks, but it's not, my grilled cheese sticks. French toast sticks though, with a little yogurt parfait. That would be delicious. Look what we did here, kind of sweet potato fries where we did 2 different dips, a queso dip, and of course your ketchup. Love it in the morning, like we were just talking about with our yogurt and our berries and our fruit. So again, remember, you can chill these ahead of time and keep them cold. And then we also did some crudité, which I'll show you. And look at this pasta bake, where we did beautiful French toast points or garlic bread points. I just have French toast on the mind. I don't know what to say. I'm gonna head over to the fridge and grab the other, look at what we did here, shrimp cocktail. So now we have it for like individual desserts, individual appetizers, individual meals. Love everything about kind of that little noshy nosh with there. So again, where can you find these? Choice of set of 2 soup mugs that are compartmentalized. They have 2 different compartments in here. So have fun with that. And of course, our set of 4 Cozies, where we have our small and we have our large. And they're beautifully fabric. They have the pattern on the outside, and you can put these right in the microwave, and they will protect not only your hands, but also your tables and everything in between. Check it out over at Temp-tations.com. You can pick your pattern and your color.